curls, the stretch. It's official. It's good. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And be sure to follow me over on all of my socials at Danita. Alright guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be trying out a new tool I just got my hands on, and I'm so excited. I'm going to be trying out the new RevAir reverse hair dryer. Yeah, I'm so excited for me. Guys, this hair tool has been on my list of items that I've just been wanting to try. And today is the day, and I'm sharing my experience with you. Like I said, I'm going to be trying out the RevAir reverse hair dryer on my hair. The RevAir dryer is the fastest, healthiest, and easiest way to dry and smooth the hair in one step. And unlike any other like hair dryer or anything that you've used, the RevAir draws the hair into the wand using a reverse air suction to create that tension, and that helps smooth the hair, you know, resulting in reducing drying time almost up to 70% while preserving the hair's strength, shine, color, and overall health. So that's what it says it's going to do. I'm going to be trying it out on my hair today. The word on the curb is the RevAir is changing the game in how we dry, stretch our curls. So let's see if it produces the results that I could be happy with. Okay, so let's just get right into this video. So to test out the RevAir on my hair, I'm going to be stretching a fresh wash and go. So my hair has been freshly washed. I did my wash and go. My curls are popping. But baby, they are shrunken, okay? I did sit under the dryer to set my curls, so my curls are, you know, they shrink. That's just what natural hair does. So I'm going to be using the RevAir dryer to stretch and style my hair. Now my hair is about 90% dry. I do have some wet spots in my scalp because the dryer did not get down to the scalp, but no worries, I'm not worried about that. I just wanted to make sure that the ends of my hair was completely dry, and they are. So separate my hair in sections and then just stretch my hair all over. So real quick, the RevAir does have temperature settings. They have like a suction level up to a 7, and basically the suction level will determine how much of a stretch you want on your hair, and that's determined here. And then of course there's the on and off button to operate the actual machine. And there's the hose and the ending nozzle that you see here where you section in the hair. Then there is the heat control button, which is 2 settings, so you control the amount of heat that you want to apply to your hair. So without further ado, let's just get this stretch style going. Okay, so before I start drying my hair, I'm just going to be clipping my hair up out of the way in sections, because I will need to work in sections a lot. Gently just pinning my curls up without disturbing the curls so much, if at all possible. So I'm going to be starting in the backs of my hair. My hairs are still a little bit damp back here. The back of my hair just takes the longest to dry. It is what it is. I'm just going to start using the dryer at the nape of the neck with my curls. Just want to show you that definition. Hopefully this doesn't disturb the curls too much. I'm just going to start out with a lower level suctioning for me. I'll probably start out with the 2 at the 1 level and then take it up a notch if I need to do so. So let's just turn it on. So we turn it on. And as you can see, it's loud. So I'm not gonna be able to talk over this. It is definitely loud. It sounds like a vacuum cleaner. So we're just gonna work through this, but nonetheless, I'm gonna turn this on, get it started. So I'm taking small to medium sections of my hair and I'm adding my hair into the wand. When I first started out with this, I did start with a suction level about a 2 with a low heating setting. I just wanted to try it out to make sure I find out what my soft spot was for the dryer. Because my hair was a little damp, I did let the dryer sit on my hair for a few more seconds longer. And I did notice it stretched my hair, but I wanted to go in with just a little bit more suction, so I upped the suction level to about a 3 to see how much stretch my hair would get. Once I found my rhythm with the dryer and how to use it, oh, I was impressed. Bam! I mean, the stretch was there, the curls were still in place, and I was impressed. I mean, look at this. Look at the difference. The proof is in the pudding. And I didn't even have to do a whole bunch of work with this. That is what I'm loving. It's like minimal effort with this dryer with stretching my hair. So I'm just sectioning my hair a little bit smaller because I just wanted to stretch my hair a little bit more. And I did up the suction level. I think I went up to about a 4, okay? And on this one, I could really see the stretch here. It was like really stretching my hair. This was just too good. I was just... oh my God, floored. Listen, give me what's behind curtain number 1, Alex. I'll take the RevAir. Yes, I will. And again, just showing the difference of the stretch of my hair. And I'm just gonna complete that whole process with drying and stretching the sections of my hair and shaping the style in which I like. I'm speechless right now. Okay, so did you see how much my hair has been stretched? And my curls haven't even been disturbed, y'all. Like, what? No words. My goodness. Wow. Wow. I was trying to show the difference. Of course, I have on a black shirt, so you can't see my hair, but you can definitely see like the length of the before. The before was like all the way up here. Like, it's insane. But let me just complete the rest of my hair and I'll come back and show you probably like midway to figure out how much more stretching I'm going to do. So. Okay, so you can really see my hair has been super like stretched. Normally when I stretch my hair for a wash and go, I only really stretch like the bottom size of my hair just to kind of give me that shape that I like. But overall, I'm loving the results. It did stretch my hair a little bit more than I anticipated. One thing to note about this air dryer, the higher the setting, of course, the stronger the suction will be, and then it'll be designed just to kind of pull the hair more taut, if you will. So for me, I started with a 2 and then I went up to a 4 and then I went back to a 3 in terms of the suction. But this is the stretching that I got for the back of my hair, and I didn't do too much stretching to the front, just more so on the sides, just to get that look that I like with my wash and go. So I ain't gonna hold you. I like this dryer. I'm not gonna hold you. I like this dryer because it took me no time. Like, other than me just separating my hair and getting the sections or determining which sections I wanted to actually stretch, that took the longest. Putting the dryer, once the hair is suctioned into the dryer, I normally had it on there for maybe like 4 or 5 seconds and then I just let it out. Not really a long time. Like, it's so fast. Oh my God. Overall, the RevAir dryer is a hit for me. I will be using this on repeat, okay? Now that I am now on a new hair journey and I'm going to be wearing my hair in more stretch styles, this machine is definitely going to cut back on styling time and the things that I need to do for my hair. Now, I know this thing is a bit pricey. I ain't gonna hold you, but is it worth it? I might be biased. I'm gonna say yes, okay? I think it's worth it. I think it does what it does. And just the construction of the actual device is just well made. Here's what I'm gonna do for you, because you're my family, you're my curl cousins, and I just mess with y'all like that. So here's what I'm gonna do. I am offering 10% off your order with my special code. Go ahead and place that order using my special code so you can get money off your order, because this dryer is definitely worth it. All right, guys, comment down below letting me know, have you tried the RevAir dryer? Are you gonna try it? Did you like it? Like, what are your thoughts? I know, you know, it's been like mixed reviews and I've been on the fence about this too, but I'm so happy I had the opportunity to finally use it. All right, guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, ciao.